Are you tired of quality issues causing your organization to lose customers and experience sky-high quality costs? In this video, we will explore which quality costs your organization should be investing in to avoid these headaches. By the end of this video, you will have a solid grasp on the four quality costs, their interrelatedness, and which one deserves the most attention and which one is often overlooked. Get ready to take your quality management game to the next level. There are four types of costs associated to quality, which is appraisal related to detection of a potential reject in a product, which include the cost of performing the test and inspection to screen out the potential defect. Internal failure cost, which is the cost of rework or scrap product which does not meet requirement. Normally, it's the fallout from the appraisal cost that resulted in internal failure cost. And then the third one is external failure cost. That means whatever that happens beyond the manufacturing sites, that is at the customer sites, which include warranty costs, product recall, and also loss of customer trust, which is unquantifiable. And lastly is prevention cost, which is a cost of investing in quality planning to build or design in quality into a product to prevent any potential failure in internal or external failure. So, among all these four causes, which do you think get the least attention and which do you think is the most important? If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. In order to answer those two questions, let's look at the cost of correcting a problem at a different product phase from design to pilot run, mass production, and after ship to the customers. Let's say the cost of correcting a problem at a design phase is $35, which is an incremental of one time. And subsequently, if the problem is found and corrected at pilot run, it could be about 5 times more, which is not too bad, or even before the start of mass production, 10 times, with a double digit increase. But during mass production, it will become 100 to 150 times or even more at mass production. And after it's shipped to the customers, it could escalate between 10,000 maybe to 15,000 times or even more. Among all the four quality costs of all this at the prevention stage, and maybe this one is could be appraisal, and this one is internal external failure, the prevention cost gets the least attention because most of the problem does not show itself during either design phase or pilot run phase. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing, supplier quality engineering career to the next level. Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equipped with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today. It's very fortunate if the problem is seen during mass production or before the start of mass production. Most of the problem will only show itself at customers integration, which is where design has failed to look at the potential failure at customers integration. And at this stage, the cost is 15,000 times more because many parts could have already been shipped, and at the worst, it could be a product recall. Most of the time, company thinks that do it right the first time is only applicable during the manufacturing of the product. No doubt this is important. However, this component of designing equality is even more important, which is neglected by a lot of organizations. They are ignorant that the main culprit of poor quality costs until it is too late. Yeah, most of the company has failed to look into prevention costs due to quality problem is seldom a pain point during development stage, as the biggest challenge during development stage is to launch a new product to the market on time. The development and marketing team would prefer less interaction with other functional teams in order to shorten the design cycle, and therefore less work is involved to plan in quality in this approach. This is normally a traditional approach of I design the parts you build, and sad to say that this is still a practice in some company till today. Typically, a quality problem will only show during mass production or even worse, during customers integration. Therefore, every organization that are serious about their profitability should understand that the cost of correcting the problem at customers' time could be 10,000 times more than rectifying the problem during the early stage, either at design pilot or even before mass production. Prevention costs should always be the primary focus, especially for products with short product life, where the product development can happen almost every quarter, those fast-moving consumer electronic products, or yearly. And this type of companies should adopt advanced quality planning approach to plan in quality in every stage of the product life. So all quality engineers must show the table at the previous slide to their management if quality planning is not yet the focus of your company. And this is also the best proactive approach to adopt. In my next video, I will share which cause should be a primary attention in a situation where prevention is almost impossible. I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.